Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search properties by county in your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search properties by county anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesaling business, you know that a lot of the major changes or clouds on title are handled at the county level. For example, pre-foreclosures, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Propwire account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search by a county, you're going to click up here into this line. Next, what you're going to do is just go ahead and type in the name of the county. So we'll do Multnomah. One thing I want to let you know is if you type in county afterwards, a lot of times it's not going to pull it up. So you can see Multnomah County, and there's no option for it. So you want to leave the word county out and just type in the county. And it's going to say Multnomah, or the name of the county, and then the state. Underneath it, you want to look for the gray letter that says county. I discovered this because I was looking in Clark County, which is Las Vegas. But if we type in Clark County, nothing there. But if we type in Clark, you can see there's a lot of Clark County in the US. So it looks like there's Clark County, Indiana, Illinois. So what you want to do is if you have a lot of different counties, you just scroll through until you see the one that you need to choose. So I would choose Nevada. But the funny thing is there's a Clark County, Washington that I'm aware of, but you can see there's no Washington here. So what I would normally do is go ahead and just click a comma and then just type in the initials of the state, and it should pop up. So you can see it's kind of strange, or maybe it's kind of buggy. I'm not too sure. But if you're looking for Clark County, Washington, it's not going to show up. So you have to type comma Washington and then click on the name of the county. Okay, quick second later, you can see it adjusts. So it pulled up all the properties in Clark County, Washington. So now we can go ahead and start filtering down. So property type, single family, and whatever other filters you want to add. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search by county in your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.